So here's version 1 and 1.5 of the Gamma. That's the name I'm giving this chassis. The only real difference is the tire width and a little bit of the frame, as I needed this side to be able to touch the bed plate with the new tire width. This just happened moments ago. It wasn't from driving. I was setting up the camera and this fell to the ground about 3 feet and hit some hardwood and it snapped. Part of it is weak design, part of it is this filament sucks. But right now I'm just trying to get everything in place and working the way I like it, and I'm going to work on optimizing it later. The gears actually work really well, and that's because I spent a good month or so designing this thing to work as efficiently as possible. So I'm pretty happy about the gear design. The steering, though, really didn't have any idea how to do it until like a week ago. So this is all like completely new to me and what I should be doing. Anyway, the extra width did help a little, not as much as I hoped it would. Unfortunately, I screwed up the tires. They're hollow inside, and so when this was building, the extra meat on the edges didn't shrink as much as the inside, and I didn't round this off because I'm stupid. So I got this hourglass shape. So that means that instead of the whole tire touching the ground, it's only the 2 edges. I still got better traction than this guy because it's, 4 points compared to 8. I'm going to put some footage of it running out on the concrete later. And yeah, what else can I say? Oh yeah, there's obviously a lot of little kinks I got to work out. I still got to figure out how to fix that connector tab. This is a mess right here, and actually the old one does it too. So again, that's partially because I was trying to get this thing to function properly, and then I can work on tolerances later. But I'm also dealing with a complicated idea here where this thing is printing with no support from the ground, and so it needs to be supported from these edges, but then it has to be able to snap and move. So that's been used up. This one hasn't, and you can see there's still some movement there. A lot of the movement you're seeing is from the tire itself. I'm not sure if I can do much about that because I do need this to turn smoothly, but I definitely want to, like, if you ignore the tire, you can see there's some play there in the arm. So I'm going to try to adjust that. Other little things I need to fix is this huge gap. It makes the servo arm thingy bounce up and down. So actually, when I noticed it here, I thought, oh, I'm going to fix it on the next version, but I forgot. So I had to make shift glue crap in there to make this work. So that's it for now. The next version will be a little bit tighter, and so I'm going to end this with some footage of this thing driving, and see ya.